Welcome to my YouTube channel. On today, I'm going to teach you how you can be able to charge your phone battery without using electricity, without even using power bank, without even charging your phone or plugging your phone or like that. What technology cannot do does not exist, and it's very simple to do all those things. Now, if today is the first time you are coming across our YouTube channel, please subscribe, leave a comment and like. And to all my returning viewers, to all my old time fans, we love you. I want to say may God bless you. Now let's go.
You open the phone settings and scroll down to about phone. Then you click on it and click on software information. Then this build number, you tap it 7 times. So let's tap it 7 times. Then you see developer options. Enable. Go back, click on the search button. Then search for demo mode. Search for it like this. Then you click on it. Then you can click on demo mode down and enable demo mode. Show demo mode. Then you can look at my battery and see it's now 100%. I can move away from here and it will still be 100%. Before it was 40%.
ChatGPT and give ChatGPT your prompt. Assuming you are into Christian songs, let's say write a Christian song about love. ChatGPT will give you the prompt. Are you seeing? It will give you the prompt. It has given you everything. You see, everything has been there. All you have to do is to copy. Go to your Play Store. You will type SUN AI. I've seen it. It has installed. You click on open. You sign in. But based on I'm done with the whole signing already. I'm done with my signing. So you just have to sign in, and once you sign in and you click on this side and you click on here. You see, you click on there. Once you click on there, this song and description, you have to paste the song description, the title of the song. Let's copy out the title of the song with the song this thing, so you make it to look okay. Now I'm done with that. It's going to be on lyrics. Let's describe the song. This is our song description. Gospel, grammatic, our song title. Create. Click on create. It has started creating already. You can see these are the songs that I've been creating with this AI. I've been using this AI to create many songs. You can see it's Lot Frank, Waiting Be This, Funny Guy, Mama Thank You. Now, it's going to give us the song in 2 ways. So now let us play one of the songs and confirm something first.
I was lost and far from grace. You reached for me with warm embrace. No shame, no fear could hide my face. Still you called me yours, you took my place. Oh, this love that never ends.
So now once you are done, you just click on publish. You publish the song, and once you are done publishing, you download. Let's download the song. As for here now, this one you are not using the Premiere Discent, so you click on this place. So you just click on download anyways. So make it to look normal and you download. Thank you for watching this movie, and I believe you learned something. Please, if there is any way I made a mistake, just let me know on the comment section. Nobody is perfect, and I know, and I'm going to learn from you. Thank you. See you next time. I love you so much. Bye.